Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great start of this weekend, and welcome to your daily update here on Dogecoin. Still covering this daily. I am interested, though, in all of your opinion. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome, and you probably don't have an opinion yet. But should I keep covering Dogecoin daily, right? Because Dogecoin right now, today we have some interesting things to say about this, but ultimately I don't have as much to say about it as we did, obviously, in November and the beginning of December. Like much more was going on, right? So I'm not sure if these daily updates are actually necessary still. So let me know what you think. But in this video, we'll still do a full update on Dogecoin. We actually had a pretty good bounce here. And this was like, if you remember what we talked about yesterday, the main thing that we were looking for with Dogecoin was a bottom. And what I said yesterday is that I still think it's most likely, or I thought that what was most likely still, that we actually found a bottom right here between 30 and 27.5 cents, which is in general a very strong level filled with confluences with the 200 EMA. The 0.5 FIB, 30 cents, 27.5 cents, both psychological support levels. So fortunately, we actually got some bidding coming in from the US again yesterday. You also saw, for example, this is just a quick tip, like what you should sometimes do is keep an eye on the Doge USDC pair, all right, and the data for that. Usually what you see is if the open interest for Dogecoin USDC goes up. USDC is most used in the US. That usually means that there's more buying pressure coming from the US compared to other regions, and that is most often bullish, right? So we had that for Dogecoin. You can see on the 12-hour time frame, but also on the daily time. Well, daily time frame could be better, but we respected the level on the daily time frame, and on the 12-hour time frame, it looks like we're about to close well above 30 cents here, which, as you can see, is a very much very important level, right? Right here. So that's all great, but the thing is, and that is something we should not forget, the thing is that Dogecoin for the last week or so has been very weak, right? And there's been no real momentum, there's been no real strength. Last week, the volume for Dogecoin also dropped down to very low levels. It dropped down to 3 billion. Last day, we actually hit $15 billion again, which is bullish. But it doesn't mean we're going to pump, all right? What that means, that increase in volume, is that this support level was very well protected, right? So that increases the chances of this being a bottom. And I also do think for now, this is a local bottom. So that's great, but you can also see that the volume right now is already dropping back down. So that means the support level was protected very well. And now we're actually stabilizing a bit more. And that's also what I think is most likely. You can see on the daily time frame, we've lost the uptrend, and you're going to need a lot of momentum, a lot of volume to break back above it, right? Because you'd want to see something like this. That's going to take too much, I think, for Dogecoin right now. Ultimately, longer term, we can do that. For now, if we zoom back into the 12-hour time frame, I think this is good. I think this is the local bottom for now. But I think it's most likely that we'll consolidate here a bit. On top of 30 cents, I think we can get up to 37, 38 cents if we actually do get some meme coin strength, which is definitely a possibility. It's not here now, but it is something you should be aware of. But something like this is what I would expect, and then I do not expect a bullish breakout there. So yeah, that's it. That's what I think is most likely for Dogecoin right now. That's what I think you need to know. For Dogecoin this weekend. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.